Hey guys, this is Surasoni and you are watching ChemSTAR. So friends, once again welcome back on ChemSTAR. So friends, in today's session I am going to discuss with you how to prepare a solution. So in this session we will see how we can prepare a 500 ml of 0.1 molar solution. So let's begin for today's session. If you like this video, please like and subscribe the ChemSTAR for more such updates. So let's begin. So friends, let's see how we can prepare a solution. Let's start with the question first. So question here is calculate the amount of substance required to prepare a 500 ml solutions of 0.1 molar NaOH. So basically here we have to prepare a 500 ml solution of 0.1 molar NaOH. So let's see how we can prepare a such solution without any logic. We will use only the given quantity in the question for finding out the answer of this question. So let's see how we can simply find out the amount of substance required to make 500 ml solution of 0.1 molar NaOH. So here basically I have divided the whole process in 3 steps. So first step is to calculate the amount of NaOH required in moles. So first of all what we will do, we will find out the amount of NaOH required in moles. For this we will write number of moles of NaOH equals to concentration into volume. So here we have given the concentration 0.1 molar which we required and the volume as 500 ml. So simply we will substitute the value as concentration 0.1 molar and volume as 500 ml. So always remember volume, which whatever the volume you have given in the question, you simply divide it by 1000 so that you will get the molarity of that particular compound. All right, so here I have divided with 1000, so I have got 0.5. So 0.1 molar into 0.5 molar is nothing but, after calculation I will get as 0.05 molar. All right, so we can write it as 0.05 molar as well as the 0.05 mole per liter also. So here we had done the conversion of given quantity into moles. All right, so let's see what is the next step. So second step is molar mass of NaOH. So in second step we will calculate the molar mass of NaOH. From whatever compound you want to prepare a solution, you have to calculate the molar mass of that particular compound. So in this case we are preparing NaOH solution, so we have to find out the molar mass of NaOH. So simply we know molar mass of sodium is 23 and the oxygen is 16 and the hydrogen is 1, so this will becomes 40. All right, so this will become 40 gram per mole. So we have got the molar mass of NaOH. Now the third and the final step is to calculate the amount of substance required in grams, which is asked in the question. So we have to find out the amount of substance required in grams for making 500 ml 0.1 molar NaOH solution. All right, so third and last step is the amount of substance required in grams. So that means mass of NaOH is nothing but number of moles into molar mass. All right, so number of moles we have got here is 0.05 mole and the molar mass is 40. So simply when we multiply this both quantity, we will get the answer as 0. Now I have here substituted with the molar as mole per liter and gram per mole, so that once we will solve this, we will get the answer as 20 grams of NaOH. So that means if we 2 grams of NaOH. So if we dissolve a 2 grams of NaOH in 50 ml of water, that will give us a 0.1 molar NaOH. So friends, this was the simple trick to solve such questions without any formula. All right, so whatever you have given in the question, you can utilize that quantity and find out the answer of such question. So friends, I hope you have understood the whole concept. Please press the like button for more such wonderful videos and do not forget to subscribe ChemSTAR for more wonderful videos. So thanks again, thanks for watching, keep learning. Thanks a lot.